Hello, Seiiti Arata. Are you hoarding a ton of clutter? Are you wasting time trying to find your things because of how cluttered it all is? Well, this is an increasingly common problem. We get a lot of stimuli to make impulse purchases, and all of a sudden, we're accumulating a lot of stuff at home. But when you have too much stuff, it can be hard to appreciate and make use of what you already have. That's why it is worth investing some of your time in organizing and getting rid of what you don't need. This can improve your mental health and give you a more efficient life. Yes, that's right. Getting rid of unnecessary items and organizing what is left can have a lot of benefits. It is easier to find things when you need them, your stress levels go down, and your sense of control goes up. So, let's think of a plan to organize your home and make you less overwhelmed. It can be hard to start getting rid of the clutter, but the longer you wait, the worse it will get. When was the last time that you organized your wardrobe, your shelves, the objects you own? The longer you leave between each tidy up, the harder it is to start. This organization is not just a chaotic visual static. This organization causes real problems to your mental health. It is contributing to your stress and anxiety. And what is more, this messiness makes your life inefficient. We explain all of that in detail in our Productivity Ninja training. It is important to be clear on the benefits of being organized. An organized space is welcoming. When you free yourself from clutter, you take control of your environment and your life. It is a small investment of time and effort that can pay off big dividends in terms of your mental health and your daily efficiency. Keep all these benefits in mind to overcome procrastination. The urgency here is real. The longer you wait to get organized, the harder it will be and the bigger the impact on your mental health and your daily efficiency. You're not losing money by throwing things away. You've already spent the money. If you make good organization, you can even save money in the future. In the world of finance, there is the concept of sunk cost. That is, if you have already invested time, money, or other resources in something, these costs cannot be recovered. Now, in the context of decluttering, this means that the money, the time, the resources that you've spent on something in the past should not influence whether or not you should keep it in your life. So if you're having trouble getting rid of clutter because you're worried about losing the money you invested, remember that the money cannot be recovered, regardless of whether you keep the item or not. What matters is if the item still serves a useful purpose in your life, if it's contributing to your happiness, to your overall well-being. Instead of focusing on the money, focus on the benefits of decluttering. When you get rid of clutter, you improve your mental health, you reduce your stress, your anxiety, and you increase efficiency. These benefits are much more valuable than the sunk cost of the items that you're getting rid of. Think of all the time and effort you spent looking for things that are buried underneath so many piles of clutter. Sometimes you may end up buying the same item twice because you just didn't know whether you had it or not, or because you couldn't find what you already had. If you've done that, let me know in the comments what it is that you've bought more than once. Maybe, I don't know, scissors, insulation tape, a bottle opener. Let me know. If you organize yourself well, you will even save money, as you start to make better use of what you already have and you're going to think twice before buying new things. When you eliminate, you really save. It's not the object itself that matters, but our memories and the feelings it evokes. It can be difficult to let go of things that have sentimental value. But remember that nothing is permanent, and that includes the items you own. Even if you love an object, remember this object is only a temporary part of your life. I'll give you an example. When I was a kid, I had a toy robot. It was a transformer, particularly it was Bumblebee. At the time, back in the day, it was a yellow beetle. I used to play with that a lot. I no longer have the toy. and that is okay. The important thing is that I still have great memories and feelings about it all, so you can do the same. Think of the memories and feelings that are linked to that object that you're thinking of getting rid of. Notice how these memories and feelings, they are what really matter. It's not the object itself. Instead of clinging to the object, find a different way to honor these memories, these feelings. Maybe you can take a photo of that object and you can create a memory album. You can write your favorite memories and you can keep them safely stored in a special diary. Also remember the purpose of the object. If it's not serving a useful purpose in your life, then it's probably time to let it go. Now, this doesn't mean you have to throw it away in the trash, no. You can donate it to someone, you can sell it and use the money to buy something that brings you joy. Don't let the things you own you. Let me repeat, this is really important. Don't let the things you own you. Finally, try to find a balance. Don't get too attached to material possessions. Remember that the things we own are temporary. What really lasts are the experiences, the relationships in our lives. So try to focus on what really matters, and then you can leave the rest behind. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the amount of stuff in your living space, it is time to take control. Getting rid of clutter can take some time and effort, but it is worth it. Not only you'll be able to better appreciate and use the items that you choose to keep, but you'll also improve your mental health and increase your efficiency. So don't let procrastination hold you back. What really matters are the memories and the emotions that are attached to these items. This is one of the activities that we do together within Productivity Ninja. You can check it at arata.se/productivity ninja.